and gentlemen, welcome to these tutorial steps. In these tutorial steps, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your crypto account, how to sign up for a Tron pool account, which you can connect to the traffic software of this tutorial system. I want you to know that this project is 100% on autopilot and it is powered by heavy traffic. So you need to pay close attention to this step. Once you get to this page, which I'm sure by you watching this video, you're already on this step, about to complete this step 3 of the tutorial, crypto payment tutorial. It is a global crypto payment system that will be sending tiny amount of Tron payment into your Tron address that you plug into the Tron pool ecosystem. So I'm going to be guiding you how to set up your account. Now, if you have already created your Tron pool account, if you already have a Tron pool account before, you don't need to complete any of this step. So I will advise you to just log into your Tron pool account and copy your referral link, and then you come down here and paste it here. But before then, I need you to also watch this video to the end so that when I get to that step, you will be able to complete the step if you already have a Tron pool account. But if you don't have a Tron pool account yet, this is what you need to do. First, you need to watch this tutorial video to the end, and then step 2. Now you start step 2, come over to step 2. You need to copy this referral code. This is what you need to sign up. You need to copy this referral code. You will be needing this referral code to sign up on Tron pool. So this is your upliner referral code from the crypto tutorial guide. So just click on this copy icon here. See, I've just clicked on it to copy it. So after you click on it, you now need to copy the referral code, which you will be needing to paste on the Tron pool referral code section while you are signing up, while you are creating your Tron pool account. That is, if you don't have a Tron pool account yet. So you click to copy here. Then after that, you click on this button. This will take you to the Tron pool registration page. So I'm going to click on this button. You click on this button, so you can see it is taking me right now to the Tron pool registration page. So it's going to take you to this page. Then once you have landed on this page, the next thing you need to do is to click on the Get Started button if you don't have a Tron pool account. So you click on Get Started button, and then it's going to take you to the registration page. Now this is where you are going to paste the referral code. The referral code, you're going to paste it here because it is mandatory. Without this referral code, you cannot register. So you're going to paste your referral code here. So having pasted it here, so you now need your email address, which you're going to enter your email address here. So for instance, my email address is consultant@gmail.com. So I'm putting my email address to register to sign up. So you enter your email address here in the first box. Now this middle box is where you will paste your own Tron address, which you want to use to receive payments. Mind you, I have already pasted my referral code here, which is the Tron address of my tutorial guide upliner. So right now you are going to go get your Tron address from your Tron wallet. You can use Tron address from Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, or Bybit or Binance. So that's what you're going to paste here. So after you have pasted that here, so you're now going to click on create account. So now let me go get my Tron address. So I'm going to get my Tron address from Token Pocket. So I'm going to paste it right there on the registration page to complete the registration. So this is how to get your Tron address. Once you open your Token Pocket, you click on receive. And then you come here, then you click on copy to copy your Tron address. So right now you go back to the page. All right, so right now I'm here. Right now I've gotten my Tron wallet address. So I'm going to paste my Tron address here. So this is where I'm going to paste my Tron address. That is your Tron address that you are going to be using to receive payment. That's where you're going to paste it here in the middle. So as you can see, your email address here, your Tron address that you're going to use to receive payment, and here is where you're going to paste the referral code, which you copied from the tutorial page. All right, so now having done that, you click on create account to create your account. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to be creating another account again, because on Tron pool you can only have one account. All right, so after that, after creating your account, you log in. So your next step is to log in. So since I have an account, I'm going to log in. So to log in, you just click on login from the top here. So once you are in your dashboard, so let me log in for the next step. Step 3 is to get your Tron pool referral link. That is your referral code, which you're going to go and paste it on the tutorial page to submit your Tron referral code. So right now I'm on my dashboard. So what I need to do is to get my Tron pool referral code. So you click here. Let me pause the video. As you can see, I've already activated my Tron pool account. You can see it's reading 26 days, so I have 26 days, 9 hours left to reactivate again. So once you are on this page in your Tron pool dashboard, what you need to do is to click here. That's step 3 right now. After signing up, you click here. So I have clicked here to copy my Tron pool referral link so that I can go and submit my referral code. So to submit my referral code, so I need to go back to Tron pool. So let me go back to the tutorial page. I'm going back right now to the tutorial page to paste my referral code in step 3 of the registration. So you need to go and submit your referral code after signing up, after creating your account. So to do that, you come here. So right now I'm going to come here. You come here. So this is step 3 right now. Submit your Tron pool referral code. So how do you do this? You come here and you click on you highlight here, you click here, and you click on paste. You paste your referral code here. Now I've already pasted mine here, so I don't need to do that already. I've already completed this step. So my referral code, you just paste it here, you paste everything here, and then you click on submit. So that is how to complete the step. Then after that, you now click on continue to step 4. So once you have completed the steps on this page, you click on continue to step 4, and then I'll meet you in step 4 in my next video guide. Thank you for watching these tutorial steps. So complete the steps on this page, and I'll meet you in my next tutorial steps.